This is Courtney. I'm going to do a few embroidery tutorials for you guys. I'm just going to start out today with something basic, which would be downloading the actual file that you want and putting it on your thumb drive and then moving it from your thumb drive to your embroidery machine. So stay tuned on how to do all that.
You want to go to ellieandmac.com, go to their embroidery section here, choose whichever file it is that you want to stitch out. Make sure to add it to your cart. And then you'll go through the checkout process, complete your purchase. Once you've done that, you can go to the My Account button, which will then bring you up this screen, which has all your recent orders and everything you've purchased. You want to choose the one that has the file that you're stitching out on it. Go ahead and click that. It brings up this screen, which is just a rundown of all the files that are on your order. If it's only one, there will only be one there. I'm going to go ahead and pick any one of these. Once you do that, it will come up looking like this. And then you choose from here exactly which one it is that you want to download. So let's say I would do like Winter Penguin. You click on that and it will bring up a zip file. Once you click on that zip file, you have a couple options that it brings up. Either open it with your zip program or save the file. I always save the file, open it with my zip program later. Once it's saved, then you can open it. I'm just going to extract it to my desktop because that's easy to find. That's showing me it's extracting it. It just brings this window back up, so I go ahead and close out of that. Once it's on your desktop, I'll just open that folder. It will have all of the files that download with it. I'm looking for a .pes since I have a brother machine, and that is the file type that is compatible with my machine. My biggest hoop is a 5x7. They do have other options for larger hoops. If you have one, I'm just going to go ahead and move the 5x7.pes since that's the one I'm looking for. I left click on it, drag it over to the folder that has my thumb drive in it, and to get to that, I just clicked this folder button down here and went all the way down to my thumb drive. So now that that's in there, instead of just yanking out my thumb drive, I want to go down to my options, safely remove my hardware and eject the media, and then click eject media. Once it says it's safe to remove hardware, then you can pull your thumb drive out and go ahead and get started.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. You're welcome to stay tuned for my next video, which will be how to use the different interfacings, what they're for, and how to set up your machine to get going on some of these designs. Enjoy your day. Thanks for tuning in.